Hello and welcome to our Yoga for Weight Loss video. Yoga is a great way to lose weight and improve overall health and wellness. In this video, we'll be showing you some basic yoga poses that can help you to burn calories, increase muscle tone and reduce stress. Yoga combines physical postures, breathing exercises, and meditation to increase strength, flexibility, and balance. One of the key benefits of yoga is that it helps to increase muscle tone, which can boost metabolism and burn calories. Yoga poses such as the plank, warrior, and triangle can help to build muscle and burn fat. In addition to the physical benefits, yoga also helps to reduce stress and tension, which can lead to overeating and weight gain. Practicing yoga can help to calm the mind and reduce cravings, making it easier to stick to a healthy diet. To get started with yoga for weight loss, it's important to find a class or video that is appropriate for your fitness level. Look for classes that are labeled as beginner or gentle if you're new to yoga. As you become more comfortable with the practice, you can try more advanced poses and classes. It's also important to practice regularly. Aim for at least 3 times a week, if not every day. Consistency is key when it comes to losing weight and seeing results. Thank you for watching our Yoga for Weight Loss video. Remember, yoga is a low-impact, holistic approach that can help you to achieve your fitness goals while also reducing stress and tension. So, give it a try and see the difference it can make in your life. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on yoga and fitness.